Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact email or phone tied to the Google account. This matters because recovery prompts match that identifier. Next, make sure your device has a stable internet connection and you've got any backup codes or a recovery email accessible. Once these essentials are ready, open an incognito window or a different browser to avoid cached credentials. This short step often isolates browser-related blocks and gets you to the real authentication flow faster. Now you follow Google's recovery flow. Choose Forgot Password and enter the verified email or phone. Use the recovery email or SMS code Google sends. If two-step verification is active, make sure you use the Authenticator app, security key, or one of your backup codes. These bypass common SMS delays. Next, review recent account activity and immediately revoke unfamiliar sessions or app access. This blocks persistent sign-in failures caused by compromised tokens. If a password reset succeeds, update saved credentials in password managers. Finish by signing in and verifying that you can access core services. Then update recovery options, add a current phone and recovery email, and sync across devices so future logins are smoother. If sign-in still fails, clear browser cache and cookies or try a trusted device. Intermittent DNS or extensions can block authentication. If you remain locked out, use the account recovery form and provide exact details like creation month/year. Used devices and previous passwords. One tip: record backup codes in a secure place to avoid repeat lockouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.